Hey, welcome to Richard Childress Racing. I'm Wade Anderson, Product Specialist Manager with Okuma America. Joining me today,
Rocky Helms, Director of Manufacturing at Richard Childress Racing.
So Rocky, tell me a little bit about the machine that we're standing in front of.
So we're standing in front of an MX55 vertical machine, 3-axis. This is one of the first machines, if not the first, that came in the door when we signed a partnership with Okuma a little more than 20 years ago.
Fantastic. So was this machine brought into this building, or was it located somewhere else originally?
Originally we were in a different location. We had been part of the engine shop for years. We branched off. Once Okuma came on board as a technical partner, we branched out into our own division, started taking on chassis parts and stuff. At that point, engineering integrated with us, and we were in a separate location, and then we moved to this building in 2007.
Fantastic. So the MX55 is the predecessor to what we basically sell a lot of today is our Genos M560 vertical mill. So this is kind of a 40-20 class vertical machining center. What's the second oldest machine you've got in the building?
We have a MA50 HB horizontal. That is also on the premise, and that was the second machine that came in the door.
So what type of work do you do going from a vertical to a horizontal? Do you separate different types of work?
Yeah, a lot of stuff that we do on the vertical will be 3-axis type work. That'll be engine and chassis components, and then we go over to the horizontal. It'll be something a little bit more complex, spindles, center links, different parts of the engine, and then we utilize the rotary axis for that.
All right, so going from the oldest machine, what's the newest machine that you brought in?
The newest one would be the MULTUS B250 ARMROID that has the integrated robot. We brought that on board a couple months ago, or a couple weeks ago actually. Got it up and going, and we're going to be doing one of the new components for the next gen car. We're going to be doing the hub nut. We'll be supplying that for all the teams, and using the integrated robot for loading and unloading. We also use the online gauging and the tool life management, so we're able to get 24/7 utilization on that.
Fantastic. Well, this is a beautiful facility, and it's a great way, Rocky, to walk in and see all the different generations of Okuma machines dating back 20 years. And it really shows the reliability of the machine and the equipment, as well as the relationship that we've got with RCR.
Yeah, absolutely.
So stay tuned for future videos.